Hi everyone, my name is Anusri. I would love to teach you how to create great eye-catching whiteboard animation using Videoscribe. This course is for everyone because I will teach you from the basics including all the tips and tricks. So start as a beginner and become a pro user of Videoscribe by the end of this course. In this course you will learn the basics like how to add text, how to add different images, how to import an image from your system into your scribe, how to change the background texture and color. Also, you will learn advanced features like how to add GIFs into your scribe, how to create different types of charts, how to draw images together without hand leaving the screen, how to erase an image like this to create this erase effect, how to fade an image which is fade in and fade out, how to move in different elements. Also, you will learn the most exciting feature of the Videoscribe, which is called morphing. So you will learn to morph different images like this. And also you will learn to morph 4 images at a time like this. How to scale images, which is scale up and scale down. Then how to rotate an image and much more. At the end of this course, you will get 2 assignments and I will provide you premium support by answering all your questions. So start learning Videoscribe and make professional whiteboard animation videos. Hope to see you in the course.